Today, we're going to draw a joyful picnic with Luan and Chippy. Let's start with the picnic mat. Draw a big square, then add some soft grass around it. Now draw Luan. She's sitting happily and holding a yummy burger. Next, let's draw Chippy. He's smiling and holding a juicy red apple. Now add the picnic food: fried chicken, watermelon, sandwiches, and a fresh bowl of salad. It's the best part, coloring time. You can follow my colors or use your imagination to create your very own picnic world. Start with the picnic mat and grass. Maybe add flowers, clovers, or your favorite colors. Use sky blue for the sky. Leave the white clouds uncolored so they float gently. Luan's hair is like a rainbow. Color each strand with your favorite magical colors. Chippy's fur is warm brown, Or give him a chocolate or cookie-style look with your own twist. The apple can be red, green, or pink, and draw your dream burger with all your favorite toppings. Color the watermelon, salad, and mushrooms however you like, maybe even a rainbow chicken leg or golden sandwich. Make the sun shine with bright yellow. This is your picnic party. Fill it with joy using your favorite shades and ideas. Amazing job! You've finished Luan and Chippy's joyful picnic. Now they're ready to eat. The best moments are painted with joy, one color at a time.